Hi, my name is Abijith. I'm a strength and conditioning coach and an active 10K runner. Today I'm here to talk about how to begin training for a 10K race. So you can start from 3 times a week program, easy runs over long distance. Don't concentrate on speed, concentrate on distance. Focus on anaerobic trainings, fast running, sprints and some high intensity interval training. So it helps you to build up stamina and also helps you to stimulate the race day. Strength training is also an important aspect. On days that you're not running, utilize that time to do some strength training. If you strengthen your muscle, it will be that much easier to train for a race day. On the days that you're not training for a run or you're not running, do some alternative drills like bodyweight exercises, swimming, jogging, walking, mild running. As you lead up to the race day, cut down the distance by 30 to 40%, but ensure the intensity is same. 4 to 5 days before the race day, make sure you run a 10-kilometer race just to help the muscles stimulate the race day. I hope this helped. Subscribe for our YouTube channel for more content like this. Follow us on Instagram and Facebook. Thank you.